All right, super excited. I just got my Vimazi running shoes, and they are the world's first pace-tuned running shoes. I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and it should be really unprofessional because I haven't really done this before. Let's see. These are the Z70 model. And here you can see that's for 10-minute miles to between 10 and 12 and a half minute miles on the box there. And we're going to open it up. And we are going to get unprofessional about opening it up, requiring some editing later. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay, packing slip. Another big logo. All right. Nice. Better cushioning. What does it say? Better cushioning and more energy. Nice. Ooh, look at those. Looking pretty. All right. Congrats. You're part of the pace-tuned revolution. Right there on the tag. Looking good. Oh, that was nice. I got two, not just one. Okay, so these are the Vimazi Z70s. Got some forms inside to keep them in good shape. Got some cool graphics on the inside here. On the outside, built in are fast pods tuned to give you good energy return running at the 10-minute to 12.5-minute pace. Cool looking colors, and I am excited to try them on. Here we go. Definitely not a hand model, that's for sure.